We are Group 11. Today, we will talk about the SWOT analysis of Hola product. This is our agenda. We will introduce 5 parts. They are strengths, weakness, opportunity, threat, and conclusion, respectively. The first part is strength of Hola. Hola is one of the strong market leaders. This shows that Hola plays an important role in the industry products price changes, research and development of new products, and so on. The second point is Hola has a strong brand presence. This means that when consumers want to buy a drink, the first thing that comes to their mind is Hola. Although because of the customers' trust in it, this is the unrepeatable advantage of Hola. The third point is Hola have sufficient financial strength. Hola is an international company, which is also loved by consumers and earn a lot of profits. Although the lesson of Node products has caused a center impact, as long as Hola invests a center amount of funds in research and the development of new products, it can also change the state. Next is weakness of Hola. Hola is using impropriation in Hola products may losing loyal customers, because if they produce a dangerous product, it will make customers distrust and even break the law. The second point is the working condition of Hola's company employees are not particularly good. The salary of the employees cannot satisfy them, which will reduce the loyalty of the employees, and it is very likely that they will leave the company at any time. Now, my partner Bill will introduce the opportunity and the threat of Hola.
At first, I will talk about opportunity of Hola. There may be many investors to invest in Hola product. Because Hola is one of the market leaders, there will be many investors to invest in their products to stabilize the market position of Hola. And it can also increase competitiveness. Node products produce new organic beverage and is very popular with the public. So I think that's an opportunity. Hola can also produce similar products, allowing Hola to continue to lead the industry. Now about the threat. Hola has stronger competitors such as Node product. Node product as a new trade are threatening the position of Hola because it is very healthy and natural, and it is loved by everyone. Node has a sound ethical policy that puts forward many favorable conditions for its employees, and there may be complaints from customers and the sales will be decreased. Due to the use of bad ingredients, customers may complain and sales will decrease. So, about the conclusion, Hola has enough strengths to overcome weaknesses and strengths. Hola needs to change the exciting state. Overall, Hola has enough advantage to overcome weaknesses and strengths. Hola has a high position in this industry and can lead the price trade of products. Although Node has developed new drinks. Hola has a strong sense of presence and consumers have enough trust. So, at first time, customers will choose Hola products. Therefore, Hola only need to solve exciting problems. For example, to improve the treatment of employees and improve the quality of products, then it can continue to be a market leader.
Thank you for your lesson.